Look who we got up in the race trailer. The man, the legend, the myth, until I got the t-shirt. Ryan Lutz, the Lutzinator. Alright, good to meet you, brother.
Yeah.
Now you up in the trailer, loving the air?
Oh, it's nice in here.
Nice in here, right? Alright, cool. Alright, so everybody know your name. Tell them where you from.
From Medina, Ohio, just south of Cleveland.
South of Cleveland, cool. Alright, now, how's your track?
Track's fun. It's flowing, really fast, pretty easy overall. It'll make for some really good racing.
My man. Alright, so now, the platform, we obviously know what platform you're running. Yes, sir.
Agama A319 and A319E.
Okay, so you're running nitro buggy and nitro truck.
Electric buggy.
Electric buggy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
How is it switching from different platforms? Because I get that question a lot.
You know, at our level, if you really set them up, they all can perform pretty similar in a way, but they do have their own intricacies that make each one different.
Okay.
Some are a little wider platform, maybe a little bit more stable, easier to drive. Some are a little bit more narrow, can be more nimble.
Okay,
so
good.
There's different things to look at.
Nice. Now, one question I want to ask you. When you got out here, was it hard setting up your car?
First got here, well, we started here and it was sugared, it was high bite,
Right.
and then it started to break down a little bit. They watered it, it loosened up a little bit, so I've kind of just left the setup, kind of trying to see how they prepare the track for tomorrow.
Nice. All right. Any tips or tricks you can give to the newbie racer? Because people starting to get into racing, take it from a professional like you.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing for a new person into racing is do maintenance on the car. You know, the cars start getting slopped out or too dirty, the suspension isn't free, your camber links don't articulate properly. All that stuff makes a huge difference to your setup. So just staying on your maintenance, finishing the races, you know, that all helps with your finishing all the races. So things don't fall apart, you don't find a screw that's loose, so just checking all that consistently.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. All right. I'm going to let you run because I know you're a busy man. But we're going to get more from you after your first qualifier to see how you're breaking out.
Sounds good.
My man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, people, so today I'm going to show y'all this tool here. This is the Mugen pin replacement tool. Let me get you the part number. Let's see the part number. That's B0541 pin replacement tool. Alright, let me show you all that it comes with. It comes with this little ratchet, okay? A little jig doohickey, right? Come with two plungers or to push the pins out. Alright, now you have to order you some pins. There are different pins sizes. I'm not sure of the different sizes and what pins go what vehicle, what axles. Just replace the pins on your drive axle. These are the ones that I ordered. Okay, let me get you in there. That's the part number C0270. Alright, they come with like I think 10 in a pack or something like that. They cheap. Alright, so when do you need to replace these? Okay, so these is my drive axles. Okay, now I already replaced this one, but you can see how it gets. Let me make sure I get y'all in there real nice and tight. All right, you see how they get squished or start to wear out. Let me make sure y'all got that. You see what I mean? All right, so what happens is, you know, you don't want that. So you just replace the pins. If your axle is good, like this axle is still straight and it's good, no problems, you can replace just the pins on there. Alright, on your drive axles. Now, let's say you have the universals like this. This is universal. And your pins, see these pins are really gone here, right? Get y'all. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, that's better. Alright. You see that? Them pins are really gone. But you ain't gonna be able to replace that because let me get the focus right. See that wobble in there in the universal? See all that? That play? You're done. Let me zoom back out. Okay. So the universals, if you get play down here, you're done. Forget it. Get rid of them. You're going to replace the axle. But if you got the regular drive axles with the two ends, dog bone type, you can replace these pins, okay? Now, what are you gonna need? Get you some wax. Wax for me works work a lot better. Then you can use 3-in-1 oil, but you need some kind of lubricant. So when you're pushing the pen back in, it will slide in nice and easy. All right, because you'll see once I'm taking the old one out, it's like it starts to like to get it out. But the new one are going real easy with wax. It's just regular wax. All right. Like I said, you use 3-in-1 or motor oil, air to oil, some kind of lubricant. I like the wax because the wax sticks with it all the way through the drive of the pen going in. All right. Also, I like to use a ratchet. Okay, 1/4-inch ratchet and 1/4-inch deep socket. I like that better because this ratchet they give you, it's not bad and it works and the pinch is good, but your hand kind of keep hitting this thing here and then you gotta keep fighting back and forth with it. So 1/4-inch deep socket and a ratchet is good. All right. Also, you can do this out in the field and you can hold something here. See how it's squared off? That it could fit, like, let's say in a wrench or something like that. That's good. But if you got a vise, like I got a little vise in the shop, put it in the vise is better. It'll keep it stable while you're cranking down on it. Okay. All right, people. I gotta position the camera in a direction that, because I want y'all to see from the angle the pen going driving down. All right. So I gotta reposition the camera, but to give y'all the gist, it's a little hole in there. Let me see if I can zoom down. Okay. Okay, hopefully y'all can see in there. Maybe not. Alright, but the axle gonna go in there and then like that. Okay. Oh man, that focus is off like a mother. Alright. But it's gonna go in there like that. Okay. And boom, and then the pen's gonna come from up top and push it down. Alright. But I'll show you all that, okay? That's why I want to reposition the camera. Alright, let me reposition and get y'all back up and running. Alright, cool. Alright, first, hopefully I got this lighting correct and I zoomed in, put the piece in a vise. I zoomed in, put the piece in a vise. Alright, so first out the bat, you want to take this this piece here, the one with the locking collar, and see the inside goes in there. All right, hopefully y'all see all that. Yep, see all that, right? You want to take this one first. It's a washer that comes with it. You want to put the washer on. All right, hopefully I'm in camera. All right, because first, this locking collar is a set screw, a set piece, whatever you want to call it, to set the depth of the pen going down. All right, so what I'll do is I take the old one here. Okay, this is the old one. Put it in there like that. Put that there. Make sure the washer is on there. And I'll just screw it down. Alright. Put the collar all the way up. The locking collar all the way up. So screw that down. Okay, y'all see that. Alright, good. Now screw that all the way down until the pen is inside of this plunger. Okay. And then from there, turn the locking collar till it stops. About right there. Hold on. Boom. That's going to set my depth right there. So then it's a screw on the back side here. You tighten that screw up. Make sure y'all can see good. Yeah. Alright, tighten that set screw up in the back. What that's going to do is that's going to lock this collar. Okay. Alright, you want that collar locked. Then take that off. Okay. Take that out. So now our plunger, leave the washer there. Our plunger, this the one that's going to push it down, is set. That's the depth. It's going to set it down to that depth and stop there. So you want to do that first. Let's do that first with your old one. Okay. Now you want to take this one. See with the little doohickey there, with the little thing. Put that in there. Okay. Then we're gonna push that down. Put your old drive shaft in there. Screw that all the way down until it gets centered. All right there. Yeah, y'all good. Y'all good. Yeah. Till you center with that one, and then you're gonna take your ratchet, okay, and go clockwise. Okay. Now this might go get because it's pushing through. That's why we use wax or something else for the new pen to slide in. Alright, so here we go. And always put on safety glass because you never know, this might pop out or something. All right. Alright, then you're going to get to a point where it's going to stop, okay? Just reverse back out, okay? Now, take this plunger back off because it can't get it all the way out. You're going to have to use a new, that's a washer. And I'm going to take this out so you'll see. Alright, you see we're almost through, alright? But what happens is we can't get the other one in. And put that back in the hole. We can't get it all the way out. We got to use a new pen to get it out. So then take a new pen. Alright, what I like to do is I put wax in here so it'll slide through. Alright, and the reason why I use wax, again, because you can use 3-in-1 oil or whatever, but the wax just sticks with it, through the whole drive. Alright, so wax in there. Alright, put that down in there. Then I like to goop up this with wax so the pen will stick in there and stay. Goop that up inside with wax. See what I mean? Hopefully y'all seeing all this. Yeah, y'all got it. Y'all good. Alright. Okay. Take a new pen. See, the wax will hold it. Alright, make sure you got your washer on there. Hopefully y'all seeing all this. See, put that washer back on there. Wax is holding the pen. Then I center it down in there. Now we gotta just screw it down. Alright. Now we're gonna take like a little pick or something just to line it up so it lines up in the hole of the old one, okay? That's about good. Just like that. You see that? Alright, so that's in the hole of the old one. So the new one is gonna push the old one out and then push the new one in, and our depth is already set. Alright, again, clockwise, and let's go. And your old one should fall through the bottom right on down. Take it all the way down to your stop. Okay, boom. Once you hit your stop, back up. All right. Now, what we might have to do, a little bit of adjustments, but we're gonna see it. Look at it first. Okay, boom. Let me wipe some of that wax off. Hold on. All right, back. Wipe some of that wax off. Okay. Actually, that's good to go. Boom. You see that? Make sure y'all got it in there. And focus. Okay. And boom. That's a new pen right in there. Just like that. Okay. And your old pen is down in there. So if it doesn't fall out because of the wax, you just pop it out. That falls right out. Alright. The old pen right there. It's the old pen. Old pen right there. See it all flat? Boom. That's it, people. And from there, I got me some new pens in there. Okay. Boom. I think this might be a little too long, so we'll adjust it real fast. Which one is yeah, right there. Okay. Of quick. That's it. Boom. That's it. Good to go, people. Alright? Alright. That, people, is how you change your drive shaft pins on there. Saves you some money. But like I said, this is universal. If the universal is messed up, you're done. Alright? Alright, people, this is your man, Raj 8111. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.